Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to screen record your iPhone. To screen record your iPhone, you don't need to install a third-party application. iPhone already has a built-in screen recorder, but it is hidden by default. To access the screen recorder option, you have to do it through the control center. To access control center, if you're using iPhone 8 and below, from the bottom right of your device, swipe up. And if you're using iPhone 10 or later, from the top right of your device, swipe down. This is the control center. Here you will find all the default controls and the ones you will add yourself. In my case, as you can see, I don't have here the screen recorder control. So let's add it. Go to your iPhone settings. Scroll down until you find Control Center. Tap on it. Here you have included controls at the top, and scroll down, and down here you have more controls. Under more controls, look for screen recording. I can see mine is right here. To add it to included controls, click on this green plus sign, scroll up, and you will see right here at the bottom that the screen recording option is under the included controls. These are the controls that you have access on your control center. Let's verify. Swipe up if you are using iPhone 8 or below to access your control center. Swipe down if you are using iPhone 10 to access your control center. Right here you can see down here at the bottom that I have my screen recording option. Mine is in this color because I'm already recording this video. If you just want to record your screen, access the control center and then click on this screen recording icon. You will see a counting down, and once the counting down finishes, the screen recording will start. Swipe down to close the control center. Right here, you will see this red bar and a small recording icon at the top. This means your screen has been recording. To finish, just click on this red bar. You'll get this notification asking you if you really want to stop the screen recording. If you want, just click on stop. Then you'll get this notification at the top showing that the screen recording video was saved to photos. So to access the video that you have recorded, you have to go to your Photos app. Now, my Photos app is right here. Now we are going to click here, and then you will see right here at the bottom your screen recording. Now, let's say you want to record your screen and also record your audio. To do that, access the control center, and then here on your screen recording icon, click and hold to bring you more options. Now, as you can see, I have more options to control my recording. As you can see here at the bottom, I have this microphone icon. In my case, the microphone is on, which means every time I record my screen, it also will record the audio. In your case, it might be like this, microphone off. So if you want to record the audio, you just have to tap on it so you can have your microphone on. Right here in this square, you have the option to select where you want to save your videos. By default, all the videos, all the recordings are saved under the photos. But if you want to select a different place, you just have to find the place you want to select and then click there to select it. As you can see, you will have this tick. So every time you record a video, it will be saved under this application. I like to set mine to photos, like this. From here, to start recording, just click on Start Recording. You also see here a counting down, and once it's finished, it will start recording. If you want to stop from here, you can also do that just by clicking here at the bottom, Stop Recording. And the recording will be stopped. You get a notification right here at the top showing you where the video was saved. In this case, to photos. Now, to start the recording and also record your audio, just click on Start Recording and then click here to move away from this panel. Now you can do whatever you want to be recorded. Once you're finished, you can click again on this red bar, or you can go to Control Center, press and hold the recording, and then click on Stop Recording. Well everyone, this is how you screen record your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, comment below, give a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.